In this typography-based InDesign tutorial, I'm going to show you a really fun trick to play with, and that is called outlining your text. It's a way that you can type out a word, convert that word into a graphics container, and then fill the word with a photo. So I'm going to go to Open, Chapter 5, Folder 7, and here we have the words OC Fair. Okay, what I'm going to do is I want to put a photo from the fair inside the word. So if you're ever going to do that, use a large, bold, kind of fat font. You need big open spaces in order to see your photo more clearly. So here's the process. I'm going to take my type tool, highlight the words OC Fair, and then I simply come up to Type menu and create outlines. Okay, what that's going to do is make a very slightly smaller image. I take my black arrow. Notice how the box is big, got a little bit of free floating space, but when I click on a letter, you can see how the box got a little bit smaller. Now what I can do is go to Object menu, and I want to say Content. I want what's going to go in here, content, to be a graphic. See the big X? This is now a graphics frame made up of these 6 letters. I can take out the black fill by hitting the red slash right there, and you can see that big X. Now I hit Command D for a document. I'll come out to Chapter 5, Folder 7, and let's take the photo. And there we go. Now the only other thing I want to caution you about is when you put a photo into text, the legibility of the text is kind of hard to read. I'll click outside and hit W. Really hard to read the word fair. Okay, so I'm going to click here, go to my stroke, and I'm going to add a black stroke. So way over here on my swatches, I'm on the stroke option. I'll click black. And I'm going to make that stroke a little thicker. Right up here it says I've got a 1-point stroke, so we'll make it, let's say 3. Okay, but that is starting to look really heavy. So let's click here and make it 2. That's still heavy. I don't like the amount of black that's going in on this. So what I'm going to do is click on a letter, and now I'm going to come up to Object, Effects, Drop Shadow. There we go. That's a little bit too big, so let's move the distance back down, bring it a little closer. Let's bring the size back down, a little sharper edge. Make the opacity a little darker there. And I don't want a black outline next to a dark drop shadow. So let's push the distance a little further. Okay, I'll go with that. All right, I'll click OK. Now, instead of a black outline, I click on the black stroke over here, come over to my swatches panel, and I'll make it white or paper. Command and minus. Now we can read OC Fair. The idea is you can turn letters into containers and fill that by applying the content, changing the container to actually accept a graphic, and use other tricks like drop shadows, strokes to help with the legibility of the text. Review this video because I guarantee you're going to see this trick again on your InDesign midterm. It'll say a different word and you'll have a different photo, but I guarantee I'm going to ask you to fill a word with a photo on your midterm in InDesign. And that's the trick to do it. There you go. Fun things to play with when it comes to type in Adobe InDesign.